locket.
Welcome to the care of magical creatures, girls. Beware. The forest and the grounds is forbidden to all students. One that lives in the forest will hurt you. If you're with me,
Looks like we got some construction over here on Hagrid's hut.
go ahead to the stable.
Ugh. There we go, we'll side saddle. Or should I sit forward?
Save your seats the whole time.
Not really going down under you at all.
Go on that.
You're gonna let it.
Hello, Buckbeak. Hello, Hogwarts. Last row. All right. This thing moves way faster than I remember. Look at all the hats. And we are done. That's it. Oh.
Go ahead and stay.